add Contact Form 7 responses to HubSpot as contact automatically. So in this video, I'll show you how you can connect or integrate Contact Form 7 with HubSpot so that whenever any new form submission is received in this form builder, the same submission data will be created as a contact in HubSpot. In this way, you do not have to manually export the form submission data and import it here again and again, and you can directly communicate with your customers, clients and contacts directly from HubSpot. So if you also want to sync your favorite form builder software data with your favorite CRM, then come with me and I will show you how you can automate this process very easily step by step. So this is the dashboard of Contact Form 7 and this is the dashboard of HubSpot, and in order to connect these two applications, I will use a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost-effective integration and automation software, and I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly you will have to click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then you will have to provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add Contact Form 7 responses to HubSpot as contact. Okay, now simply click on create and then you will find two boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Okay, when something happened in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So basically you need to always select the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any new form submission is received in this Contact Form 7 form builder application, then automatically send this data to HubSpot CRM application. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is firstly I will connect a Contact Form 7 with the Pabbly Connect, and then I will connect a Pabbly Connect with the HubSpot. Okay, so let us connect Contact Form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new form submission. Yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever any new form submission is done in Contact Form 7, this automation should trigger, or we can say the data should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, for that you will have to follow these instructions very carefully. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and firstly I will show you that I have created this inquiry form for interior designing services. Okay, and let me tell you, in order to use this Contact Form 7 plugin, you will have to use the plugin for the same. Okay, here you can notice this is basically a plugin which I have installed in my WordPress website. Okay, now I will edit this form, and here I will show you there is a webhook option available. Okay, so here exactly we will have to paste our webhook URL, but from where this webhook option has came from. Okay, so again let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here it is clearly mentioned that you will have to install and activate this Contact Form 7 plugin from the plugin section from the in the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is the plugin which will enable a webhook option along with each form of your Contact Form 7 plugin. The name of the plugin is CF72 webhook. Okay, either you can directly download this plugin from here and then you can upload the zip file of that plugin here in the plugin section. Okay, so this is the plugin section, and if you have already installed the zip file, you will have to click on this add new button, and then you can directly upload the zip file of that plugin from here. Okay, so this is the upload plugin option. Okay, but this plugin is already installed in my account, so I will directly take you to the installed plugin section, and now I will search the same plugin here. Okay, so this is the plugin, let me search for the same, and you will notice that the same plugin is already activated and installed. But if I will deactivate this plugin, you will notice that the option of webhook will disappear from there immediately. So let me show you once again my contact form 7 plugin. Alright, so where is the plugin section? Alright, so here we have the contact form 7 plugin, and now I will once again edit my form, which was inquiry form for interior designing service, and let me search for the same form once again, and now I will deactivate this form in front of you, and as soon as I do that, you will notice that this option will disappear from here. Okay, and did you notice that the option has been disabled, has been disappeared? And now I will once again activate this plugin, and this time you will notice once again the webhook option will be visible here. So that is why you will have to always install this plugin in order to paste this webhook URL in your contact form 7 dashboard. Okay, so I have copied the same. Let me close this particular dashboard. I'm sorry for that. Let me also close this particular tab, and now I will directly click on this webhook option, and firstly I will remove this existing webhook URL and will paste this new webhook URL, and make sure that you also tick mark this integrate option, that is send to webhook. Now finally click on save, and this is how the connection in Pabbly Connect and contact form 7 will be successful. Now I will directly show you the preview of this form. Okay, so I have added a lot of pages, and in those pages I have embedded my inquiry form. Okay, so let me show you the same, that is inquiry form for interior designing service. Okay, so how about I directly search for my page, that is inquiry form. Okay, so this is my page, and now in front of you I will make a dummy submission, and you will notice how the submission details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, because we have already connected our contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so again I will make a dummy submission from here. Okay, so assume that the name of the person is demo user, the email address is demo user 12@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number, again I will add some dummy number only. So I have added a 10-digit dummy number. It is asking for your message. Okay, so I would like to design a home. Okay, or how about I select office here. Okay, so let me also correct this spelling, and what you would like us to design. So again I will go with office. Now clicking on the submit button, and as soon as the submission is successful here, you will notice that the details of that form submissions will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice the response is received because the submission was done here and it was very instant. Now I will show you the details one by one. So here we have the same name, here we have the same message, the same dummy email address, the same selection, and we also have the same dummy phone number. And because I have collected only basic details from my form, so that is why I have only this much details. Let's say you want to collect more details, you can customize your form as per your requirement and collect the following details. Okay, now the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, every time someone will submit this form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now moving further, I will send this form submission data to HubSpot CRM application. In place of HubSpot, let's say you want to send the same submission data to different CRM software. In that case, you can select your favorite application, favorite CRM from here. Okay, so let me show you the same. This is how you can search for your favorite application. Okay, but currently I'll go with the HubSpot CRM application only, and in the action event I will select this create a contact because I want to do the same. And just like we have connected contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect, now I will connect this HubSpot and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply select this add a new connection, then click on this connect with HubSpot CRM, and then you will have to provide the access of your HubSpot CRM account. Okay, but because I have provided this access already, basically I'm already logged in my HubSpot CRM in a different tab, so that is why the authorization is successful and my HubSpot account is also connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately. Okay, and because we are connected here, you can notice this custom field which is already created inside my HubSpot CRM have started visible here, but currently I do not want to send the data in this custom field. So what I will do, firstly I will enable this mapping button, and then I will remove this data, and I have deleted all the data. Okay, and here you will notice that it is asking me several details which are actually required for creating a contact into HubSpot CRM. Okay, but I will provide the data only into the important fields or into the required fields, basically into the mandatory fields. And finally, after providing the data, I will click on this button, and this is how you will notice the contact will be created automatically in HubSpot. Okay, so let me provide the details one by one. So firstly, it was asking for the custom field, so I have deleted that particular value. Then it is asking for the company name, the company size, the date of birth. Well, again I will leave all these fields blank. I am looking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number field. Okay, so where is that? Or how about I directly search for the first name? Okay, so here we have the first name, and here we also have the last name field. Okay, let me show you the same. The first name field is here and the last name field is here. Okay, but the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above form submission data and paste below in the HubSpot fields. Basically I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, okay, let me show you. When you will click on this field, you will find the above step data here in the drop down. You just need to select your data. So let's say it is asking for the first name. So here in the first name, I have mapped the full name only because currently I do not have the first name and last name data individually, because in my form I have added a single field of form. Okay, so it is a tip from my side that whenever you are sending the data in some CRM application, make sure that you add the first name and the last name field separately. In this way it will be easier for you to provide the full name, to provide the first name and last name individually. Okay, but don't worry about that. Currently I'll go with the same thing. Okay, because my objective is just to show you how connections can be made or how automations can be made, and I hope you have understood everything. And just in case if you still want to learn how you can split your first name and last name, then I will show you that as well. But for now I will map other details, like it is asking for the last name. Okay, so how about I provide the last name something like customer. Okay, I'm adding this value manually. Okay, now I will provide the email address. Okay, so let me search for the same, and I have mapped the same. Okay, but you must be thinking that what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I'm mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again. Whatever the details we are mapping here, all these details will be replaced automatically. Okay, but just in case if I will provide any detail manually here, what will happen? That detail will remain same for every form submission data. Okay, so in that case what will happen? As the last name, every customer will get this customer as the last name. Okay, so how about I delete this value, and instead of that I am mapping the same full name here in the last name. Okay, so I think I have provided all the data. Now I can directly click on this button, and you will notice how the submission data will be added as a contact in our HubSpot CRM. Okay, so I have clicked on that button, waiting for the response, and the response is received. Going back and let me refresh my HubSpot CRM application, and I'm really expecting the contact should be created. And here you can notice it is showing one contact. So firstly I will remove this filter, and here you can notice the same person with the demo user and demo user, basically the first name and last name. The email address is demouser12@pabblytools.com, and here we have the same phone number. Okay, so the same person has been created as a contact automatically in our HubSpot CRM. So in this way, now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit your contact form 7, those submissions will be created as a contact automatically in HubSpot CRM. For that you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect account just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And here I am showing you how you can split the first name and last name fields. fields. Okay, so after the contact form 7, I am searching for the text formatter. Well, it is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can apply different kind of operations within your text. Currently I would like to perform this split text operation, so I have selected the same. Simply click on connect and it will be connected immediately, and now it will ask you the text to split. Okay, so I would like to split this full name, so I have added the same. Now it will ask you the separator, so I would like to separate these values with the space. Okay, so for space you will have to add this particular thing, and then it will ask you that which segment you want. So I want all the segments. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that both the first name and the last name will be split, and now you can easily map this new data here as the first name and last name. Okay, and just in case if that recent data is not visible in this mapping section, you can refresh it. Okay, you can click on this refresh fields button, but currently you can notice that every mapping data is visible here. Okay, so in this way you can split your full name, just in case if you have also not captured the first name and last name individually. But for now I will remove this particular field, and I hope you have understood everything. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. Okay, so simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.